You know, it scares me that Uber is back in the limelight and not complying.
Uber says no to the city of Austin as they ask Uber to provide information they agreed to in their contract. Now to the conflict between Uber and the city of Austin, as the city says Uber is going against the contract. Uber says they are complying and Uber's future could be in doubt. KITV's Adam Hammonds explains this is all about information Uber doesn't want to release.
It may look like a typical Saturday at home, but Anthony Nguyen is about to be on the clock.
Usually I just wait at my house actually up here.
Nguyen is an Uber driver, actually Uber Select driver.
Instead of $6, $7 rides, it's $15, $20 rides.
And so when we showed him a memo about Uber not complying with its contract, he was uneasy.
It scares me that Uber is back in the limelight and not complying.
That's because the city says Uber isn't giving them enough data about the number of trips it serves. And Uber has 30 days to comply or the contract could be terminated.
I would think that's the easy problem to solve, and I'm confident Uber will get their act together and report that data.
But turns out it's not so easy, because in a letter to the city, Uber says it is complying with the contract. And Uber says it gave that information in an earlier report thinking the public couldn't see it, but says part of it was made public in this Urban Transportation Commission hearing on February 10th.
We did over last weekend received some partial information on trips in December by one of the companies.
The commission went on to say how many trips Uber made in December. So Austin General Manager Mark McCoughtry said in the letter, quote, because the city has not taken adequate steps to preserve the confidentiality of proprietary information submitted into its custody, we do not intend to provide supplemental information at this time. And Nguyen understands that, because Uber may not want other companies to know how much business it gets. But he says Uber still needs to comply.
I think that is a valid point if Uber wants to protect it. But they signed the agreement with the city of Austin to disclose it. So if they did sign that, then they have to adhere to that ordinance.
This same battle over access to what Uber says is proprietary information is also going on in Houston, where Uber has sued the city. And here in Austin, the Attorney General has been reviewing the case for months and has decided some of the information can be released to the public, but it's still reviewing the rest.